The Menumaster MRX high-speed combination ovens by ACP combine different energy sources, convection air, radiant heat and microwave power, together to cook up to 15 times faster than traditional methods. The MRX is fully adjustable with up to 3000 watts of impingement and microwave power control. That's perfect for toasting, baking and grilling at high volume and high speed with consistent results. It's also plug and play ready. That is, it will arrive ready to place on the bench, plug into power and begin using without the need of a technician for installation. The MRX is also ventless certified and doesn't require any additional ventilation. Therefore, it can sit on any bench throughout your kitchen or front of house service area without the need to be under a canopy or fan. The following videos in this library will talk you through the MRX key features, benefits, configuration steps and maintenance tips. Please visit acpsolutions.com/resources to access the ACP programming app. Here you will also find your MRX firmware updates. We hope you enjoy and find great value in these videos. Please don't hesitate to contact Comcater directly for more information or visit www.comcater.com.au.